Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about beginning sounds letter A.
The name for this letter is A and the sound it makes is A. Let's look at some words that start with this sound. A is for apple. 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 A is for astronaut. 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 A is for alligator. 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 A is for avocado. 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 A is for angry. 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 A is for arrow. 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 A is for ant. 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 A is for anchor. 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 A is for ambulance. 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 A is for axe. 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 All of those words started with the sound A. Practice makes perfect, so let's go through all of those words again.
A. Apple. A. Astronaut. A. Alligator. A. Avocado. A. Angry. A. Arrow. A. Anchor. A. Ant. A. Ambulance. A. X. Okay, your task. Color the picture beginning sounds the letter A. Okay, good luck everyone. Thank you. Bye.